Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how we can open Android Emulator as a separate window instead of section in Android Studio project. What I mean by that is, in Android Studio, if we open a project here, if we turn on our emulator here available in device manager section, it starts like this as a section here inside Android Studio project. But I want this as a separate screen. What we can do, I'm going to firstly stop this running, and we have to close this Android Studio project. Here click this more actions, click virtual device manager. Now you will see this start button, press it. Now it will start the emulator as a separate window. Alright, that's how you can open your Android emulator as a new window, maybe a separate window. And if this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.